because they're included in there. But yeah, I mean, you definitely do want those to pay off. So let's go ahead and get started here with a psychic energy. And we are getting started with a hyper potion there for our first item card. Citrus Berry, Corvusquire, Wooloo, Joltik, Salandit, a Clobopus, very cool Ghastly there, and a Shelder. And last but not least, Cinderace holographic there, guys. So check that out. So at least we got a holo there. That's pretty cool. And as you guys know, a little bit of updates for you guys. The Champions Path is being released on September 25th for you guys. So if you guys haven't checked that out, be on the lookout. I really haven't had the opportunity to get any pre-orders yet, but I'm pretty sure that you know, once I'm able to get those pre-orders in, I'm gonna be super excited about that. And so let's go ahead and get started here with a Thunder Energy, Staravia, Shiinotic, Flaffy, Toxel, Skitty, Rowlet, Wishy-Washy, Cufant, a Pupitar, and a Diggersby? Yeah, I think that said that right. So Diggersby there, along with our Pupitar there, reverse holographic from the Darkness Ablaze. And now we're moving on to another Charizard pack here. And another Sword and Shield. This one looks to be a Lapras. So, I actually only thought they were Zacians, but it looks like they do have a Lapras in them. So it looks like we are getting more white codes from these Sword and Shield packs. So I don't know what's the deal with that, but you know, I don't mind as long as we get something good out of these guys. I don't mind. And at the end of the day, you know, it's all for fun anyways. So so let's go, guys. Let's get started with Galarian Stunfisk there. A Raboot, Hop, Sobble, Rhyhorn, Roselia, a Ferroseed, a Krabby, a Lumberry reverse holographic there. So not bad, guys. And there we go, guys. Lapras VMAX in our Lapras pack. So there we go. Here we go with our first VMAX of the day. This could be, even if this is the only card today, guys, I mean, this is a really nice card. It's a Lapras VMAX, and I don't believe I do have any regular V Lapras, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and keep looking for these rare cards, guys. And there we go, guys. We got a white code finally from Darkness Ablaze. And we're gonna get started with a Fighting Energy there, a Furret, a Yellhorn, a Flaffy, Grimer, Clink, Ducklet, a little Mareep here, just hang out. We got Paris, and a reverse Piers there. So that's not bad. I think that's the first reverse Piers. And there we go, guys. A Sizer V Max. So back-to-back V Max there, guys. That's really cool. So I'll take it, guys. We'll go ahead and sleeve that guy up. And move into this Grimmsnarl pack here. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with these. And so yeah, look, we got a Zamazenta here, so it looks like they are switching them up. I guess I almost didn't notice it, but you know, I guess it's easy to overlook, especially when you have such awesome cards that are being released. Also another set that I know is being released in the near future, probably around November, is gonna be Vivid Voltage, where you're probably gonna see your first Pikachu VMAX, or just Pikachu V, I guess, for that matter. But I don't know. I guess stay tuned for that, guys. It's gonna be pretty exciting to open up some of those. We got Aurora Energy, so we got some special energy there. We got Dubwool, Baltoy, a Wooloo there, Joltik, Salandit, Clebopus, Sandaconda, and Cramorant for a regular rare. Alright, guys, here we go. So this is going to be another white code for us. And we're going to go ahead and get started with a Dark Energy. A Glimwood Tangle. A Alaron, Parasect, Fletchling, Mr. Mime, Torchic, Aeron, Rookidee, Lunatone, and a Centiskorch VMAX there. So not bad, guys. We're gonna go ahead and sleeve this guy up. And which is pretty ironic because we're gonna go into a Centiskorch here. And here we go, guys. We have a Lapras and a Centiskorch pack here. So let's see who wins this battle, this pack battle opening here between Sword and Shield or Darkness Ablaze. Which is the hotter pack as we get into pretty much halfway through the video here, I would say. But then again, I'm not really keeping track anymore, just because this is a really awesome video for you guys, and I may have to stop it halfway because this is kind of getting to be a longer video. But let's go ahead and finish this one first. We have Psychic Energy, Galarian Lanoon there, Rotom Bike, a Drizzle, Roselia, a Choodle, a Blipbug, a Rhyhorn Clobopus, a reverse Cramorant, and a Durant there. For the rare, so it looks like Durant got his rare here as a leaf Pokemon. So the attack says bite together. If Durant is on your bench, this attack does 60 more damage. So yeah, I don't know if it's stackable though with more Durants, like it's been in the past. But who knows? So let's go ahead and move into this Scorch Darkness Ablaze pack. Alright guys, and so let's go ahead and get started with Leaf Energy. Hopefully we get something good in this pack, but who knows, we can't win them all. But we are getting started with Ursaring there, Rose Tower, Simsear, Sinistea, Carablast, Melton, Marini, I should say, a Purloin, Carnivine, and Mr. Rhyme for the rare. Alright guys, so I guess that pretty much wraps it up for this episode. It's been a pretty long episode already, so I really thank you guys for joining me in this episode. Give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video with your friends. And as always, thanks for joining me today with your host, Mr. Magic, aka Mr. Wonderful. And as always, see you next time, and have a great time, guys. Enjoy.